Circle. Alright. That was fun. I'm going to try drawing a small circle. Small. Medium. Large.
Kain.
Great job. It's story time. What do you think this book is about?
An.